अपोज करता हूं।
Honorable Member
धन्यवाद।
M. Molesh Babu. M. Molesh Babu.
Sir, I rise to express my support for the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024, a significant legislative reform that aims to bring greater transparency, accountability and fairness in the administration of Waqf properties across our great nation. The bill is a testament to the unwavering commitment of our government under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and our Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji to ensuring justice and equitable governance. Waqf is a permanent dedication of property by a person for a purpose that is recognized as pious, religious or charitable by Muslim law. Legislation in this regard has been made in order to afford better management of these religious and charitable properties. The existing Waqf laws, despite their noble intentions, have faced multiple challenges over the years. For instance, lack of transparency in the management of Waqf properties, disputes arising from the unverified claims, and allegations of encroachments that have led to unnecessary litigation. This amendment is a positive step towards rectifying these issues, fostering better governance, and ensuring that the true beneficiaries of Waqf properties are not deprived of their rightful entitlements. Reports of committees like report number 3 of the Joint Parliamentary Committee on Amendments to the Waqf Act 1995 in the Rajya Sabha dated March 4, 2008 and the report of Select Committee on Waqf Amendment Bill 2010 in the Rajya Sabha dated December 16, 2011 examined the state of Waqf in India have been cited issues in their management such as lack of transparency and efficiency in conducting surveys, encroachments and poor maintenance of Waqfs. The Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 is crucial. The bill has given powers to officers higher in rank to district collector to conduct preliminary survey of Waqf properties. Surveys will be conducted as per the state revenue laws. The bill proposes a comprehensive digitization of Waqf properties. By redefining the jurisdiction and powers of Waqf boards, the bill ensures that disputes and claims are resolved in a fair and timely manner. It introduces stringent measures to prevent arbitrary land acquisition and fraudulent transactions. The bill mandates that the composition of the Waqf board must include 2 Muslim women. This inclusion is much more appreciated as it brings in more representation of the view of Muslim women and their needs and issues. The bill takes representation and inclusivity further by mandating also that the Waqf board ought to have at least 1 member each of the Shia, Sunni and backward classes of Muslims. Sir, I understand that some concerns have been raised regarding the bill, particularly regarding its alleged interference with religious freedom. However, let me assure that this House that this amendment does not encroach upon any religious practice or fundamental rights. Instead, it aims to protect the sacred purpose of Waqf properties. The provision for judicial oversight ensures that no undue interference takes place in matters of faith and religious endowments. Sir, 1 minute, sir. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರು ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗರ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಕಾ ಸಾಥ್ ಸಬ್ಕಾ ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾತ್ಯತೀತ ಜನತಾದಳ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಎಚ್.ಡಿ. ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರ ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ ಎಂಬ ಮಹತ್ವ ತತ್ವವನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ರಾಜಕಾರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾದರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷವು ವೋಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರು ಸಬ್ಕಾ ಸಾಥ್ ಸಬ್ಕಾ ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವರು ಸಬ್ಕಾ ನಾಶ್ ಸಬ್ಕಾ ವಿನಾಶ್ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷವು ಸರ್ವ ಜನರನ್ನು ಒಡೆದು ವಿಭಜಿತು ಗುಂಪುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿ ವಿನಾಶಕಾರಿ ರಾಜಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ನನ್ನ ನಂಬಿಕೆ. Sir, I'll just conclude, sir. Conclude, please. Conclude, please. I urge my esteemed colleagues in this House to raise above political differences and support this much-needed amendment. Let us move forward with a vision of equity, efficiency and empowerment, ensuring that the benefits of Waqf properties reach those who need them the most. This is the moment India will see, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and you are holding them back. With these words, Sir, let me
धन्यवाद,
complete, sir. With
पीठासीन
these words, I would like to convey
Just
that
a
on
minute,
behalf
Ansari ji,
of
एक minute.
Janata Dal Secular JDS Supremo H.D. Devagowda Appaji and Party President Mr. Kumar Anna, I fully extend my support to Waqf Amendment Bill 2024.
Thank you.
And I appeal to all the members
Ansari
of
ji,
this August House to endorse this.
धन्यवाद पीठासीन महोदय, मैं आभारी हूं वक्फ संशोधन बिल की बहस में भाग लेने का आपके ने अवसर दिया। मैं